Welcome back. Let's do question 4. Dark tiles D and light tiles L are used to create patterns on a floor. The first 4 patterns are shown below. For the patterns that follow, the tiles are arranged in a similar manner. Write down the general term Ln for the number of floor light tiles used in each pattern. So we say here first pattern is 0, L1 is 0. We're looking at the light tiles 1, L3, 4, then L4, 9. We have to recognize the relationship between n and the term position and the term itself. These are square numbers, so this should be 0 squared, 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, like that. What's the relationship between n, the term position, and the term itself? If you say 1 minus 1, we get 0. Then 2 minus 1, we get 1. 3 minus 1, we get 2. 4 minus 1, we get 3. So it means our Ln is equal to n minus 1 squared. Ln is n minus 1 squared. We subtract 1 from the term number and then we square it to get the term. We subtract 1 from the term number and we square it to get the term. So that's what we're supposed to recognize there. So this is our Ln.